Alright, this is the screw step 2, and we're going to make the threads on this little video. We will coil them, and we'll do the coil stuff afterwards in a different video, but I want to set you up here so we can cut these correctly and make these correctly. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to start a sketch, except you're going to choose this front view. So the XY view, XY plane over here, I got to it opening up the origin. I'm going to go down to XY plane, and this is really neat. I'm going to right click and go to slice graphics here, and what it does is it gives me this sliced graphics so I can see inside of this. Okay. You can also hit the F7 key on your keyboard, and that does the exact same thing. Okay, so what that does is it gets you inside to show you what you're looking at. So I'm going to start with, I want to do 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have 3 threads. It's okay if they don't look the correct thing. You want to start on this corner and you want to work your way in. We're going to play with a bunch of these constraints today. One of them is going to be equal. We're not ready to do that yet, but we're going to equal this one to this one. So those two are equal. Then we want to match it so everything is connected to the top. So we're going to create a construction line that goes across the top like this. Oh wait, I forgot. Let's do fillet first, and we're going to fillet the tops of these. And in the last video, what I did, whoa. I forgot to set this fillet. So this fillet, we want this to be 0.00225. And we'll select this one and this one. That's more like it. This one and this one. And this one and this one. Okay? Now, I did make them construction lines. I'm going to show you. All you have to do is go back and select them and make them regular lines again. I'm going to leave this construction line, and I'm going to draw a line across the top this way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tangent tool here. I'm going to go tangent from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. So now they're all the same. I'm going to come back. If you notice, they all moved lower, and this doesn't matter for now. But what I want to do is I'm going to choose coincident. So I'm using a barrage of these different ones to make things work. If you draw this line and this line is crooked, like whatever, if it's crooked, what you can do is you can choose this button right here to flatten it out, and it says that already exists, so it's all flat. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to do one more fillet, and I'm going to fillet it from here to here. Okay. And don't worry that it all looks funky fresh. It doesn't matter. We're going to go to fillet again. We're going to fillet from here to here, with this being point. We're going to do it 0.0045. Oops, let's go back. 0.0045. We'll select here to here and here to here, and you'll see what I did. I made these construction lines again. That was an accident. I left this on. So all you have to do is just go back, click on it, and change it back to a construction line. You can see I still have construction line selected, and that's okay. What I'll do now is I will do another construction line, and I will draw it from here. This is going to be my axis for later, okay? And I can actually, if you want to, I can also make this a center line, which actually works even better, okay? So if you see I made it a center line, I'm going to turn off construction line. So I'm going to do a dimension from here to here. Let's do that again. From this line, that's not what I meant to do. From here to here. There we go. And this is going to be 0.138. Okay, 0.138. And I'm just going to do these real fast just so you can see. I'll put these closer. And I'm going to do a dimension on these ones here just so you can see, because I want to make sure they stay the same way. And it says, see how it says driven? That means that they are forced that way. Alright? Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to dimension each one of these things distance-wise. We're going to put this closer to what we want it to be. So I'm going to say equal. I'm going to make this equal to this. Oops, that's already made. We'll do equal this to this, this to this. Okay? So now those are all equal, and now we need to set some lines. So I'm going to draw a line straight down from here, and I'm going to draw a line to there. I'm going to draw a line from there to there. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to measure from, you can do it from here to here. Okay? And this is 0.031. Oops, it didn't make it. 0.031. Okay? So is the next one from here to here. And this, so from here to here is the same as this, and I'm clicking on that, hitting check. And then from here to here is the same. Okay? And that's all good. Alright, and that's all there is. So if this were to come all the way down, you can see that the distance, so if I did, I'm just going to show you this, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to go from here to here, and from here to here, so this measurement from that point to that point is the same across the board. Okay? That's all you have to do for step 2.